It is me, Tila B, the Model Realtor of the Best Group at Long and Foster, and I am here again with Kristina.
Hey, Tila.
Hey. And today we are going to be giving you more tips and tricks on how to enter into the spring market and be a successful buyer.
Absolutely.
So a question that I have for you, Kristina, is if a buyer comes to you and they say, what is the best loan type for me? What answer would you give them?
My answer would be the best loan type for you is all dependent on your current situation. And having a full pre-qualification application with me to determine which products would best suit you and go over those options.
Okay, so for an FHA buyer, can you give us a little bit of information about what an FHA loan is and just some criteria for who could possibly be best fit for that type of loan?
Sure, yeah. So here at Prosperity Home Mortgage, we finance FHA loan buyers all the way down to a 580 credit score.
Okay.
So we can help buyers with down to a 580. Also with FHA loans, a minimum down payment is a 3.5% down payment. And then I always like to let people know that you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to take advantage of an FHA mortgage. You can be a second-time home buyer. You just can't have another home within 100 miles of the property that you're purchasing to take advantage of FHA.
So can we pause there? Is that to kind of not keep an investor from using that type of loan, but to kind of keep it where there are home buyers instead of investors? Is that why the 100-mile radius is there?
So investor-wise, you can't utilize an FHA loan for an investment property. It's primary residence only. Don't know why the 100-mile rule. We, ask that question to ourselves as well, but that's something set by FHA, which is a government agency who backs this type of financing for home buyers.
Awesome. Well, thank you for that.
Yeah, no problem.
And I was so glad you hit on that investors cannot use the FHA loan because it is for people who are going to actually live in the home.
That's correct, yes.
Awesome. So can you tell us a little bit about who could possibly qualify best for a conventional loan?
Sure. Conventional loan buyers, we can finance all the way down to a 620 credit score. If you're a first-time home buyer, we do have a product with as little as 3% down on conventional loans. If you are putting less than 20% down on a conventional loan, you do have something called mortgage insurance, but don't be scared by it. Mortgage insurance is a monthly cost to you as the home buyer, but in some cases it can be rather affordable. But again, conventional-wise, it's very dependent on credit score, down payment, what term product you're going for. So there's a lot of different factors that come into play when you're talking about that type of financing.
Nice. And so we do have a couple more left, but another one that is most popular is the VA loan.
Yes.
So can you give us a little bit of who qualifies for a VA loan and then just some criteria based off that loan? Sure.
So a VA loan is our Veterans Administration Loan Program. It is for active duty service members, veterans, surviving spouses of veterans, and generally, if you are in the market to buy a home, you kind of already know if you qualify for a VA loan. But if you are in the market and you don't know if you qualify, please contact me or your lender, and we can look that up for you and help you with the VA to determine that sort of eligibility.
Nice. So for all my veterans, Mike and I, we used his VA loan because he's a veteran.
Yeah.
So I have worked through the loan as a buyer, and I will be able to help you work through the loan as your realtor. And we'll have Kristina by our side to help us get through that. So now that you guys have all the information that you need to give you just a little bit more about what the loan types are and which ones you could possibly qualify for, what's the best thing that they can do, Kristina?
Number one, as always, it's a recurring theme here. Always call me or a lender that you are working with so that we can help you get pre-qualified for one of these loan programs.
Awesome. Well, you guys have a little bit more information about the loan types, and the spring market is officially in 2 days.
I would say in 2 days. Yeah, March 1st already. It's crazy.
Absolutely. So we are here to help you guys get into your new home within the next 2 days till 9 months. So again, we are excited to help you get into your new home. I am Tila B, the Model Realtor at the Best Group at Long and Foster, and this is
Kristina Moradi with Prosperity Home Mortgage.
And how do they contact you, Kristina?
Yeah, you can call my cell phone at 443-257-2715 or Kristina with a K at phmloans.com.
I love that, Kristina with a K. All right, guys, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.